Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Okay, so guys, I come outside this morning, so as I drop my children from school, okay, so that's my go do small shopping, okay, just our weekly shopping, okay, just excuse me guys, I just eat finish, so I go do our weekly shopping, so make I just still share am with una, okay. So guys, if you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, wetin you dey wait for? Subscribe and support your sister channel to grow, okay. So this my hair, I see they carry am because to do it they just dey add me. So may I share the things when I buy for with una, okay. So may I show una. So first of all, I buy rice, okay. So now the rice when I dey like with this one. For years now I don dey use this rice and I so much love the rice. So maybe I go dey tell una the price of some of the things dem, okay. If I remember the price dem, I go dey tell una so that make we see the difference between una country or una area, where una dey stay, where that difference dey like that, okay. So when I remember the price, I go tell una, okay. So make we see the difference, whether na our side things dey there pass or na una state or na una country things dey there pass, I no know. So make we do am together, okay. So I buy this basmati rice guys. I love this rice, and this rice I dey eat. This rice too good, okay. This one na 5 kilo. I buy am for 11 euro. You won't see the price. 11 euro na to buy am. So I really love this rice. For years now I don dey eat. I no fit eat another rice. This one don master me. Now I say they do fried rice, jollof rice, normal rice, everything. I so much love the rice, okay. So that one na 5 kilo. Yeah, I come buy pounded yam, okay. So the pounded yam too na 11 euro. They sell this very particular pounded yam, okay. So this two now buy, okay. So my show na the next one, okay. The next one na bread. So I come buy 2 agege bread, okay. These two one na 2 euro for one, okay. So I come buy 2. Now they don already slice this one, so na even dey easy for me pass the slicing one. Na me I like pass. So you just take am, you know they cut the bread. That normal one, if you dey cut and the bread go dey scatter, I no like am like that. So like this, if na 3 or 4 you want eat, you just take the very particular one wey you want eat, any quantity wey you want. So I dey like to dey buy this one because I dey use am dey do sandwich for my children. So na make me dey like to see dey buy this very type wey they don slice. So I buy 2, 1 and 2 euros. So I come buy 2, that is 4 euro, okay. So I come buy pick milk. Already my children na pick milk I dey use for them in the morning, say they make custard or cook and oat. Now they use for them. So but I get some, but I just say okay, just pick extra, just pick 2 join. If you say tomorrow now go fry akara, we go use and say drink custard. So I just decide to just pick only 2, but I get some for so one and 60 cents for 65 cents for the pick milk. So I can carry only 2 of them. I still get some for house. So I can carry this malt, okay. So the malt now 2 euro 50 cents. Now 6 dey inside. I can carry only this one, especially because of my children, because me I don't stop to eat anything concerning sweet, man. The thing they worry me for body since when I run test, when I know so everything dey okay with me, because I'm a person who like sweet mouth. I'm a person who like to eat all this sugar something. So I don't want by the way I can't get problem of sugar. So since then I can't stop, and when I see run test everything is okay, so I decide to stop all those sweet mouth stuff, because I don't want, you know, so they say that at that time they find black goats, not be when they don't dark, okay. So I need to start to the based on say age don't see they go small. So you need to limit some kind sugar things where you dey eat when your age don't see they go. So I buy this one for my children, okay, just to take based on say get vitamin and all those kind of stuff. So I come buy only this one. It's not before for your carry full crate. Me I get funnel for throat before. If I buy malt for us before, if I buy crate of malt, not even they reach 1 week, I don't take the funnel wey dey my throat, take drink and finish. But this one, hey, your body when age don dey go, your body system go dey give you bear, so you need to limit some sweet mouth things wey you dey eat. So me, I no dey drink. Highest mineral wey I go drink na maybe Coke, okay? So and I no dey drink am all the time. So when I run the test, doctor tell me say I need to dey drink a lot of water. Everything is okay with me, you are okay, everything is okay perfectly, but you need to dey drink a lot of water. So since then I come limit my mineral wey I dey drink. If I wan drink once in a while, I'll drink mineral, but most time na water I dey drink well well now. So this one na for my kids, okay? So because sometimes guys, if you dey sometimes you need to run test to know whether you dey okay or not, so that in case of anything then you go quick based on say, you know say Europe here we no dey pay for anything concerning medical. If you get exemption, you can pass your test without you not pay anything. So once you get the opportunity, if you dey there, you go run test so that you know whether everything is okay with you. In case if you not dey okay with you, quick start to dey treat of the thing, okay? So that is it. At least every 6 months or every year you need to go the run test. So I come buy plantain, okay? So you can see, okay, I buy 6 plantain. This 6 plantain na €2.50 now I take buy am, okay? And be this one. So maybe I want do bole, or tomorrow I go, since today na Friday, tomorrow na Saturday, they no dey go school, I fit just fry the plantain for them, make they eat plantain and beans, or just fry am with egg for them. So I just buy only this one because these days I see they limit the kind of, and they limit my food, okay? So I come buy curry. The curry na €1, time I mean na €1 now to buy the time, okay? So I come buy beans. I buy these beans. The beans na €2.20 for the beans. Okay, I think you don't finish. I come buy ginger, okay? Just only this one. The ginger, less than 30 cents. I take buy this one, this very ginger, okay? So for here, it don't finish. So I carry on. I come this side, okay? So I come buy carrots because I want to do meat pie tomorrow, keep for inside fridge. At least I'll do like 20 or 30, just keep for inside fridge for snack for my children, because if they come back for school, maybe they for see something taste month. So I come buy carrots. This one at €1, and be this for 1 kilo for inside market, okay? And be this one. So I just buy and keep for house. It's too many, but if I use and remain, I will keep the remaining one inside fridge, okay? So I come buy pineapple. Don't when I eat pineapple last for some time, I never eat pineapple. So as I see, I just look so beautiful. So yeah, I come buy this one for €1. I think how much I take buy am? Let's say now €1, €60 something cents. Now I take buy this one. €1.70. Now I take buy this very one for inside market, okay? So what's there again? Okay, the grinded meat. So I come buy this one €2. Where they sell meat? Why for they buy meat? So I can't tell them they give me grinded meat. So if you want to do very delicious meat pie, you will buy the one where they say. So wait for the buy meat, you tell them they mash the meat for you. So I come buy this one for €2, mashed meat. So they can't cut am, they can't go mash am for me. That type na good for meat pie. So now be this, okay? So what else again? So I come buy, so I get meat for inside freezer, because I dey like to buy meat. See the meat dey inside my freezer, but I just start this meat just be, oh yeah babe, the meat looks so good. You won't be like Tozo meat. You know Tozo meat for Nigeria, you know say Tozo meat dey good well well. So as I see am, I won't be like Tozo meat, get oil, look so good. So I just come buy am. No be say I need the meat, but based on the way it be for my meat, they call me, come buy me. Now so okay, my you buy am. So I come tell the guy, come give me. So I come buy this one for €11. Na cow meat. Just like Tozo, you know as Tozo dey be na, dey good for mouth. So I come buy €11. Now the person sell am for me, okay? So let's go, yeah. So what else again? So I come buy 2,000. I come buy donuts, okay? donuts. So they sell am one of the donuts na 50 cents. So I mean one of the donut na I bless na 70 cents. So the lady come sell 3 for me for €2. Na 3 dey inside. So all my children they come back for school, they go use am take do snack. Okay, snacks or snack anyone, I don't know. So they go use am take na 3 I buy, me I no dey eat. So maybe I just buy 3 for €2. So now be that. Then I come buy banana. Okay, my daughter love fruits a lot, so I come buy this banana. I buy this one. Like I said, the guy sell am for me for €1.60 for the banana. Okay, for inside market. It looks so beautiful. Okay. So what else again? Then I come buy fragola. I think na blueberry they call it. They call it. I don't remember. They call it for English, but for Italian language, fragola. They call it. My daughter love this very fruit. Okay, so I come buy €2 for 1 kilo. Now I buy and see like this is now for my daughter. My daughter love the fruit, so my son na banana. My son like. Okay, so I come buy tangerine also. Okay, I come buy this one for €1. So I come buy God. My daughter and I they eat fruit like that. So I come buy this one for €1. 1 kilo also for €1. Okay. So I come buy onions and come guys. Not let me open. Okay. I leave like that. So I come buy onions and the potato. So this one is €2. Okay, 2 kilo na day. €2. The onions and the carrots and this. I might still that for you. Yeah. I say carrot, potato. Potato na be this one. Then the onions, they put them together inside markets. Onions. So then be this one. The things that when I buy today na be these guys. Okay. So I see make I carry on long, more see the difference. Whether on our side things they dear pass, whether on our side things they dear pass. So more we see. So this is it, guys. If you like the video, give me some thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this kind of video, guys, you leave am for the comment in the comment section below. If you want make if I buy something, I will tell you the price so that we go see the difference. Whether on our side the things they dear pass, whether on our side the things they dear pass. So leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys. I appreciate you for that time you watch my video. Thank you and God bless you guys. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.